So I'm using medium worsted yarn, number 4, and 8mm crochet hook, which is bigger than the recommended crochet hook for this yarn. The purpose of this is to make the blanket easier and faster to work. So we will start with a chain 4, magic loop, and a chain 4. Two double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same chain. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same chain. We need to have 5 clusters, and a cluster is 3 double crochet together like this one. So 5 total. Chain 1, chain 1, and the last one, the 5th. Chain 1 and join. This is our first round. Now I'm gonna chain 3. So this chain 3 will be a part of the last cluster coming back to the same round. Now we'll be working in these spaces, the chain 1 spaces only. So what I'm gonna do in each space is a cluster, chain 1 cluster. That means 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in all the spaces. In the next space, the same thing. 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. I will continue the same till the end of the round. So I'm back to the last chain 1 space. I did 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, and I will join to the initial chain 3, which we said will be considered as a double crochet. Now for round 3 I will chain 3, and in the same space 2 double crochet. So our first cluster. And in every space I'm gonna chain 1 and 3 double crochet. or cluster. So throughout this round it's gonna be cluster, chain 1, cluster only, no increase, just to shape the round. Chain 1 like this till the end of the round. As always, don't forget to look at the written pattern for you to follow each round with the right numbers of clusters and increases. Because here I'm showing you the basics of each round, but the detailed one will be in the written pattern. Round number 4, chain 3. Again, we'll make an increase in the space, which is cluster, chain 1, cluster. So that means 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same space. Chain 1, in the next space, just one cluster. So in one cluster, in one space we will make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. In the next space we will make 3 double crochet only, or one cluster only. So to increase the width of the round or circle and to keep it flat as well. Just the same concept when you make a circle or anything in round shape. So I will do the same till the end of the round. In one space I will increase the cluster, double cluster, and in the next space just one cluster. I hope it's clear so far. Like this one. One cluster, double cluster, one cluster, double cluster. So I'm at the end of the round again, and here we come back to the chain 3. I'm gonna do just one cluster. So 2 double crochet and join to the chain 3. As we said, chain 3 is considered a double crochet. Now the next round will be one cluster in each space only, as the round before. So basically, to increase these granny stripes in round, one round will be the one round will be just one cluster in each space, and the next round will always be the increase of the circle, which is double cluster in one space and one cluster in the next space. So we'll just go step by step. So for this round I'm gonna chain 3, next space one cluster, and the same will be in each space. Chain 1 and another cluster in the next space. Just single clusters in all the spaces. So one round is single clusters and one round will be the increase of the clusters to keep the circle flat, the granny circle. So this round will be repetitive in every other round. Again, the pattern will help you follow clearly. So now I'm at the end of this round, which is the single clusters. Now again on the next round I'm gonna increase. So the beginning space will be double cluster, The next two spaces now will be single clusters. So every time I have a round of increase, I will increase the number of single clusters. That means double cluster will be always there, but we will increase in every round the single clusters by one. So in this row it will be single cluster in the next two rounds. In the next increase will be single cluster in the next 3 rounds, and so on. Again, when we follow the written pattern, you'll understand more. So now I will chain 3. My double cluster will be here, so 2 double crochet, so makes it 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet or cluster, now in the next space it will be a single cluster. This will widen the round granny and will keep it flat. So this is the finished blanket after making around 32 rounds. I have used 3 yarn balls of the purple and 1 of the cream color, and this is how it looks like. It's very easy and simple. I have included the written pattern in the video, so you can refer to it together with the video. Very easy to achieve. Just follow the rounds in each row to have the same look. It's the granny round blanket. I also have used, like I said, 8mm crochet hook, which is larger than the yarn I have used, just to make it larger and easier to work. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. That's it for this tutorial. Until next time, take care, bye bye.